Hey, in this video all of you can understand what is AND gate and how to make a truth table for an AND gate. Okay, I am there, take two inputs, okay, and one output. So for this this is your choice. You want input 3-bit, 4-bit, so your choice, okay, but one output must, okay. So there I took 2-bit, okay. For 2-bit truth table, all of you that know 0011 in my last video, 010, okay. For AND gate truth table is like a multiplication, okay. This is our output, this is first input, this is first input, okay. For in AND gate we multiply our inputs, so we get our output. 0 into 0 we get 0, 0 into 1 we get 0, 0 1 into 0 we get 0, 1 into 1 we get 1, okay. You understand very well from there that whenever 0 is coming in the input, our output becomes 0. So in just one case, when all of your inputs carry 1 bits, so then output get 1, okay. So in every cases your output becomes 0, but just this case you get 1, okay. This is AND gate, you multiply just, okay. All of you can understand. So please like, subscribe, share, and please bell icon press, okay. Thank you.